Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Asana to manage post-production editorial tasks step by step clearly. To start, open your Asana account on your preferred device. Navigate to your workspace where you manage your editorial tasks. Create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Choose a template that suits post-production needs, or opt for a blank project. Title your project Post-Production Editorial Tasks. Next, define the tasks involved in your post-production process. Add tasks such as script finalization, video editing, sound mixing, and quality check. For each task, set a due date to establish deadlines. Assign team members responsible for each of these tasks. You can add descriptions to each task for additional clarity. In the subtasks section, break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. For example, under video editing, include subtasks like cutting the footage, adding effects, and exporting. Next, set up sections to organize your tasks. Create sections for different stages, like to do, in progress, and completed. Drag and drop tasks into these sections as they progress through the workflow. Use tags or custom fields to categorize tasks based on priority or type. Color code these tags for quick visual reference. Consider adding project milestones to track major achievements. Click on the Add Milestone option and designate key points in your timeline. Utilize the calendar view to visualize deadlines and task progress over time. Encourage your team to update task statuses regularly. This ensures everyone stays informed on progress and any potential roadblocks. Integrate Asana with communication tools like Slack for real-time updates. Use the comments feature on tasks for team discussions and feedback. Regularly review the project to ensure it remains aligned with your timeline and goals. Make adjustments as necessary based on team capacity and task complexity. Finally, schedule weekly check-ins to discuss the project's progress and address any challenges. With these steps, your Asana project will be effectively configured for managing post-production editorial tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.